iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. Kaizer Chiefs 2, Golden Arrows 3. DSTV Premiership on a Sunday afternoon. Nsako Makubela. Nsako never die Makubela. Good performance from the player. Giving a second chance, of course, from a lot of Pirates. Didn't get too much game time. Goes to Golden Arrows. Eliminates players. Provides assists. Well done to Nox Mutizwa as well. Junior Khanye, our analyst. Your thoughts on the game, sir?
Yes,
sir.
Ngibulise. Benedict Vilakazi.
Mr. So-and-so.
Izola uzanga.
Mr. So-and-so.
Bekunzima. Yeah, nice game yesterday we had Nabachita. Basidle 1-0 man. Bakoring a penalty. But entertainment. Yeah, bekulandwana. Yakusi lezi ziphasa zimi kuyalandwana. Yeah. So became mnandi yeah. Nguleko mabrada ngibulisele ngwenye 2 tracks ngibulisa uJustice. Yeah, Ntsako ungifonela I think if I'm not mistaken 6 days ago. Ngacala ukuhlangana nomfana last year mina la eMall of Africa. Ngamtshela ukuthi athi kimi you are too direct Mario sinceda Grootman cause sometimes thina sithi abanye sithatha very positive. And truly speaking into ngimtshele yona ukuthi you've got a talent but when you dribble akuna coach engakubeka ngaphandle if you dribble to eliminate or going forward. If you do forward passes, go bypass, mawungakuru assist. And then akuna coach engakubeka ngaphandle. Have more shot on target. Tholakala boxing. Namhlanje for me is the man of the match. I need to be honest, angibhayibu sobakhe. Dlalile umfana. If you can play like this, asifaki pressure laphana, you should there's something that will come for him big. Maybe call up for a national team. Consistent, not now. Yeah. Consistent. As Kulma 2-3 games.
15 matches.
Yes, we can't lie. But he's doing after the game. Angasapeke move.
15 matches.
So Ngulego Kaizer Chiefs started very well in fit. I think Kaizer Chiefs started very well. He speed sabo. Bengiqala ukubabona first 20 minutes ba fluid ngale ndlela. Passing game forward very effective. I think the problem is midfield kulaba chitala babe Arrows. It didn't be 2v2. 2v2 they couldn't cope Mart no Sithebe. Golden Arrows. I think the coach ibonile ngale ndlela ya ethi umuntu we3. Mabafaka lo mfana lo number 4. They allow Ntsako Khumalo. Khumalo yes. A very good player, talented. Yala Zipola change game. Because Kaizer Chiefs, they were all over them. First 20 minutes, we need to be honest. Two, and then a different Kaizer Chiefs player, he played one, different. Two, that's all. Movement of the ball, skill, awareness, okay, vision. It's only him run behind the ball. And then what about the Breeze? Him, no King told off. We need to be honest. They were off. We need to be straightforward. They were off about it.
Christian Saile.
Mina uyakena mini hype especially international player so bona ngama run yana 2-3 ungqono kulomunye akusukuthi ugrand ungqono but awayena yiMbhombhayi naye isikhathi uzobubhali phansi yabona ngitshela namhlanje mina ngeke ngifihlele ngalamehlo nalomqondo nawe lapha kunesikele emnyana lapha iskemnyana
Christian Saile.
Yeah, ungqono kule end show 9 yeah. There's better cause icon touch will receive but akuna something special.
Yeah, mara masawubheka I-conversation ne hype ku social media you would think that he brother kaMessi or something like that.
Sorry, hype.
Yeah.
When you play for the team like the team ayidlalela because of the history players that have signed before kufanele ukuthi bamhype ngalendlela. Ama expectation nabo Colin besume that they were international team there. Tinash Washington ngomashi. Sikhuluma manga Patrick Adibanjo Mabedi. You understand sikhuluma ngamanye abantu abakwenye level. So mawi international sizokubheka ngale ndlela thina sibale leso standard. So truly speaking kuleko Kaizer Chiefs njengoba kubuyela nje gaming it's only the boy that was making it different. Mtutuzi. Uye bakathi makabamba ibhola akube na something for Kaizer Chiefs because they got behind defense lama pockets bengicala ukubona iChiefs today idlala ngama pocket because every time uMart makaphethe ibhola noSithebe bekazavela and always target yavela makuvele yena ibhola mele end up ku goalkeeper so the breeze off King Ntolo vele nge-move 1 le ball eshaya ibhali good run I think i-defense Golden Arrows they must talk to them abomabhuti yes they won this game but going forward defense abo they must talk to them they was too loose, especially first 20 minutes. Ukigen told him run behind them. There's a problem. Yeah. He doesn't have a speed. Yeah. Kigen doesn't want to run really. Kigen is one of the best talent in Mara. Since his Kaizer Chiefs, he doesn't want to work. Agafun guspanu Kigen. Movement of the ball, meaning mas ngayo bega Yugo Sundowns looking for ballers and the space, taking players on. Being namhlawshay run. The ball receiver could receive, could run, could receive, and it looks like offside for me. Marmangi check slow machine is on. So two defensive ambugele urana pamgwa. That's why after that move, Kigen was off. And then these two defensive midfielders, I think whoever credit to technical team, Arrows, Maputi Khanye and Villagas. Sambo, we need number in the middle. There were three. The Mfanalo Ungene Watala next to Upushin Sako. And then there were three in the middle. What color number 12 he started Ndwandwe. Ndwande bega all over. He couldn't understand. When he attacks, there's two behind him, which is Uteme Nomart. There was a problem. Obvious Mabaya, Guba in King. So Utema Gafawatala. So he had to receive, simplifies in Tanigel number 4. Cholunsa Kunsak, it's become a problem. So credit to Noxum Tizo as well. A good goal first half. Ngoba Arrows overloaded side like left in Kulego. Ulunga. Very dangerous crosses because even first half we are lula pam party. Because of cheesy face palabo. Defending abo be wrong. Tube couldn't combine with Kwinyika. Ushanti always going front. The problem technically was very poor. Lomfana lo ngisho kanjalo. Mudi ungena phakathi. Oh, stay on the line. And makangena phakathi it become a problem. So first half the chances, Kaizer Chiefs they did have chance. The police party, a chance to Mboni then Ashaya, the goalkeeper save it. Saile, anyone album right, but none other than that. After 20 minutes, I think by Bon and Jabang Shabafago number 4 by Klima. Before he came, Arrows make sure good ye go second half by draw he came. Second half, I believe me now. Arrows came fresh. Modi, he came to the picture now. Go Arrows, especially him and na ilomchitalo ulunga. Now gulela side be kube problem kakhulu. Yikungezana gcina 20 yellow card was always late. If 1v1 bekamlanda. Lomfana number 4 lama pockets bekawashaba nonsakho. It become a problem because I defensive midfield Kaizer Chiefs bengekho. Sikhuluma ngokubaleka kwe defensive midfield. Umbonile unsakho ukuthi maka bypassa kulabantu abayithu Stebe noMarti lapha. Makezo uhlanti ukuthi udlula kanjani. If the correct defensive midfield that is more technically disciplined and dive, bekumele foul lapha, professional foul, unsakho. Foul him da. And then so that the ball be dangerous. Now trying to face Saile. Uyangana mawuna ama full back oyithula abantu abadlala makuyoba ungezana atholi yellow no Hlanta atholi yellow. Usenkingeni. It's only Dube alone and uDube ugcinene ukudlala. So mina unfortunately nguleko ngiyamangala nesapi yakhe uAtazwane. Questionable again coach. Igame uyiphethe ezandleni zakhe zili 2-1. Qala idebris. Yes, it didn't too much, but keep kicking. Angithi ufake speed ngoSkhotha. Miye ukuthi idebris ngapha nangapha ube speed boy too. So Kigen can run. He's gonna play upasa abantu pemenyimanga. He doesn't turn always face lakhe. So uye wayiqima nje igame maqeda ufaka uNange. Nange when he came, he got a yellow card. Static, rusty static into eningi yiko ngibuza ukuthi unoMarto noSithebe. So uNange uyalida 2-1. Ukhipha umuntu sharp is understandable. Naye umuntu ukhipha umuntu ukhipha umuntu mfethu yeke le ntwana singakhulumi ngenjalo because we never been told ukuthi ulimele sibonile yes bekastrepile but it look like bekasafuna ukudla ukuye umfana mangabe ke ukhipha umuntu sharp it's understandable miye ukuthi breeze usikhothe umfaka kube nespeed between two mhlambe uthi breeze umsondeze phambi kwakhe uPemenyimanga mawuzomphasa uthi Pemenyimanga kunganami umuntu ozomumva la phambi kwakhe. It's a waste ngoba besekune hole between i-strikers zabo labantu abafront ne-midfield ngoba uNange uMart Sithebe was sitting there thathu Sithebe because of runner all over banu-Mart. They can't even count it distance ukuthi sirana mina akekho awas between them both of them ukuthi ubani defensive ubani attacking. So nkuleko unfortunately kule game the coach idlale role enkulu ngamasapi wenzile thema ikhipha umuntu immediately ngoba igol within a minute and truly speaking bringing uNange knowing ukuthi Rusty confidence is not there. He's never done well for Kaizer Chiefs, so bringing him now yini kenza ukuthi ushintshe azokushintshela igame. So Arrows compliment to Maputi second half they came in indlela ngathi beba extra inamba it looks like Arrows do extra yeah.
Absolutely. The game ended with Arrows on the front foot until, of course, they got the lead and then they tracked back. Well-deserved lead win for Golden Arrows. They went to Polokwane, get 3 points, keep it moving. Kaizer Chiefs on and off. Up next, Orlando Pirates Soweto Derby on Saturday, 3:30 for Kaizer Chiefs. That's going to be a very interesting one. iDiskiTV, iDiski Times, World Sports Betting. Thank you for watching us.